It is a risk-off session today, with safe haven assets catching a bid across the board. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for August 19th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 slipped -0.32% to 24,078 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,680 level above and $23,476 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is trading lower by -0.42%, at 76,908 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is broadly flat at 57,240 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Indian banks' fast-track dollar fundraising after RBI moves FX swap window deadline. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $58,385 resistance and $56,095 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Bajaj Finance is down -1.29%, trading at 1,080.20 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Indian banks' fast-track dollar fundraising after RBI moves FX swap window deadline. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Sun Pharma is up +1.27%, trading at 1,898.90 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel RE optimism. The near-term technical picture for Sun Pharma looks constructive. Watch the 1,974.86 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. ICICI Bank is down -1.11%, trading at 1,396.30 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Indian banks' fast-track dollar fundraising after RBI moves FX swap window deadline. Fee income growth from digital transactions and credit card spends is compounding well above the loan book growth rate. The iMobile app engagement data is a leading indicator of cross-sell success. Any commentary on the unsecured loan book quality would be closely watched as consumer leverage in India builds. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.75. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin buy what's moving markets. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance dipped -1.29% to 1,080.20 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Indian banks' fast-track dollar fundraising after RBI moves FX swap window deadline. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.